Hello students, welcome to e-classes of PN Amerse High School.
So students, today we are going to discuss about space calendar. For ages, humans tried to travel to space and learn its mysteries. In the 20th century, we finally succeeded in stepping into the final frontier. So students, have a quick look at our space-related achievements. So students, space calendar means to have a look at the achievements we got in the field of space in different years. Now in the year 1957, Russia launched the first satellite into space called Sputnik 1. This was the first satellite to orbit the Earth. In the same year, in November, Laika, a dog, became the first animal to orbit the Earth. Now, in the year 1961, in April, Russian astronaut Yuri Gagarin became the first man to orbit the Earth. His spaceship was called Vostok 1. In 1963, Russian astronaut Valentina Tereshkova became the first woman to fly to space. She was a part of the Vostok 6 mission launched on 16 June 1963. In 1969, after some more years of research and sending robots to the moon on 20th July 1969, American astronaut Neil Armstrong took the first step on the moon. The name of his spaceship was Apollo 11. In the year 1984, Captain Rakesh Sharma flew aboard Soyuz T-11 launched on 2nd April 1984 as a part of Russia's Intercosmos program. He was the first Indian to travel to space. Now in the year 2000, the first permanent crew moved into the International Space Station in this year. Here's the crew of astronauts have been living ever since. The ISS is a huge space station built for research and space exploration. In the year 2004, in June 2004, Spaceship One became the first privately funded manned space flight. Virgin Galactic has been set up to offer private tourist flights to space. In the year 2013, the Mars Orbiter mission or Mangalyaan is India's first interplanetary mission. The technology for this mission was mostly developed in India. It is the most economical Mars mission till 2017. Now our next topic is farm facts. Farming has been practiced in India for many centuries now. Today, India is the second largest producer of crops in the world. Most of India's population practices agriculture. Now have a quick look on the farming methods used in India from their description. First one, crops are moved to a new place once the old one is no longer fertile. The answer is shifting agriculture. Second, the farmer grows crops for just himself or for sale at the local market. The answer is subsistence agriculture. Third one, a large sum of money and a lot of human labor is used to grow more than one crop per year. Answer is intensive agriculture. Fourth, large quantities of crop are grown for the purpose of selling and exporting. The answer is commercial agriculture. Fifth, a kind of agriculture that requires a lot of space and a long growing period. Crops such as rubber, tea, coconut, coffee, cocoa and spices and fruits are grown. The answer is plantation agriculture. Sixth, in this type of farming, crops such as gram, jowar, bajra and peas are grown as they require less water. The answer is dry land farming. Seventh, this type of farming is done on mountain slopes. The answer is terrace cultivation. Students, with this we end our today's video. Thank you.